Let's just take our time, just relax your mind. And take it easy, don't have to decide. You do, I do, I don't have to be mine. Just take it easy, take it easy, take it easy, take it easy, babe. Catch your vibe, let's just take our time, just relax your mind. And take it easy, don't have to decide. You do, I do, I don't have to be mine. Just take it easy, take it easy, take it easy, take it easy, babe. Catch your vibe, let's just take our time, just relax your mind.
Lips first touch, get left in the dust, no room to judge. Talking business, slow child. Lips first touch, get left in the dust, no room to judge. So tonight you should go and take a chance with her. She could be everything you wanted, everything you wanted, boy. Don't let that get away. Don't let that slip away. Don't let that love stay. Don't let that get away. Don't let that slip. Don't let that get. Don't let that slip. No. So tonight you should go. Lips first touch, get left in the dust, no room to judge. Talking business, slow child. Lips first touch, get left in the dust, no room to judge. So tonight you should go and take a chance with her. She could be everything you wanted, everything you wanted, boy. Don't let that get away. Don't let that slip away. Don't let that love stay. Don't let that get away. Don't let that slip. Now, don't let that love. Don't let that get away. Don't let that slip. No. So tonight you should go and take a chance with her. She could be everything you wanted, everything you wanted. she could be everything you wanted, everything you wanted. She could be everything you wanted, everything you wanted. Yeah, she could be everything you wanted, everything you
So today I will be sharing with you guys this unit that I have right here on my head. Today I will be sharing with you guys my thoughts on Miss Kimora. Miss Kimora is very, very affordable, and she's a very, very beginner friendly wig. This unit runs at about $21, $22, and keep in mind, you guys, that if you guys want a fun color, that you are actually looking to spend quite a few more dollars, like $2, $3, $4 more, if you guys want to get this wig in a fun color. This unit is actually very, very easy to style. This unit is very, very beginner friendly, and this unit began to shed a lot, okay? Now, I know that this unit is cute and all, you guys, but with this color, this unit did shed a lot. Now, when I mean a lot, I mean like I got hair all over my floor right now, so keep that in mind, you guys, if you guys buy this color, that this wig is shedding a lot, okay? Add heat right here onto the top of this unit. This unit is very, very soft. It feels more like a soft yaki texture on the end, so this unit is more so on the soft yaki side. It's not like a silky texture, it's more like a soft yaki texture. For the most part, you guys, I would actually push this unit through, and I actually think that this unit will look really, really bomb if you were to get this unit in a more of a natural color. Let me know what you guys think about this unit that I am rocking for you guys today. And if you guys have any type of like requests that of any type of wigs or braiding hair or twists or anything that you will, don't do the braiding hair, y'all, because I can't braid that well. But if you guys have any type of requests where you want me to review any type of wigs, any type of crochet hair, leave your comment in the comment section below. Thank you so much, ladies, once again for tuning to my channel today. It's truly and greatly appreciated, y'all. Y'all are truly MVPs. We actually just got to 2,100 subscribers, you guys, so we are almost to 3,000. So thank you guys. We truly are growing fast. Well, we may not be growing as fast, but y'all, we're growing fast enough. Like, we're growing fast enough, and that's all that matters. We're gonna get there. So y'all, thank you guys once again for tuning into my channel, y'all. I truly and greatly appreciate it. And don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to comment on this video, guys, so many other women can see this video, and so my video can get recommended to many other women. See you ladies in my next video.